A proud fox used to laugh at smaller animals and look down on them. "Look at this silly rabbit," he'd say. "Look how small and weak it is." One day the fox was taking a stroll in the forest when he saw his shadow on the ground. It was huge. The sun was setting and the sky was a fiery red, which made his shadow look even bigger and stronger. He took a closer look and was admiring his big, strong claws. "I am indeed very powerful," he said, and just as he was about to pounce on a nearby rabbit, he noticed a hunter nearby. The hunter had set a trap and was waiting for an arrogant fox to walk right into it. The fox, with his head held high, walked right up to the trap. He could feel the power surging through his body. "With my strength, I can easily escape this trap," he thought. As soon as he stepped into the trap, though, it slammed shut. The fox struggled to free himself, but the more he struggled, the tighter the trap became. The hunter approached and said, "Arrogant fox, I've been waiting for you." He pulled out his phone and recorded the struggling fox. Soon enough, he would have a delicious meal and a beautiful fox fur to add to his collection. The moral of the story: arrogance can blind you to danger.